Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel, Mrs. DVK. So I had a couple of videos up earlier showing you all some decorations that I was making for my son's graduation celebration. I was looking for the colors of red, black, and gray, or either red, black, and silver. They were very hard to find. When you look online, most of the time you see black and gold. So I decided to make my own decorations in the colors that I wanted. And I had a video up showing you all that I was going to make 8-inch rag wreaths for the centerpiece. So these are the 8-inch rag wreaths. I was able to do them in the colors that I wanted. And then I had some glass vases that I had purchased from the thrift store that I was going to paint black. But my son did not really like those. So what I did was I got these from the Dollar Tree, and he really liked these. So I said, okay, well, we'll use those then. And so then I decided what was I going to put in the vases. I didn't really want to put flowers in the vases. So what I did was I purchased some balloon stems, and I have some floral tape and some loose leaves. And so what I did was I wrapped the stem in the floral tape. I added a leaf to as many as I could until I ran out of leaves. Then I added the balloon at the top. And so now it looks like a balloon bouquet in the centerpiece. So just kind of wanted you all to see what I decided to do as far as the decor for his graduation celebration. All right then, thank you for stopping by, and you be blessed.